everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue when Instagram highlights music is not working. If you're unable to add or play music in your highlights, follow these steps. Start by force closing the app. Go to your recent apps and swipe Instagram away. Then reopen the app. This refreshes the app and can solve minor glitches. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection might cause music to not load. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or try connecting to a stronger network. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram and check for updates. Newer versions often come with bug fixes. The next step is to clear the cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, go to your phone settings, select apps, apps again, find Instagram, storage, then tap clear the cache. If you are on an iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app from the App Store. If none of these steps work, you can report the problem to Instagram. Go to your profile, then settings, scroll down and tap help. Then select report a problem. Inform Instagram of the issue. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the music issue with your Instagram highlights. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!